Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create a multi-screen or split screen effect using Spring Video Editor. It's super easy, totally free, and you can do it right in your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Spring Video Editor app and then create a new project and choose black background by go to image assets and then choose black backgrounds like this and then adjust the durations if needed and then adjust the ratio as you like. In this tutorial, I will use this portrait ratio. Now just import your first video as an overlay. Just go to overlay, this one, and then import your video like this. And then just go to split, this one, split screen. Just tap on it and then just choose the type of split that you want. For example, I will select split bottom, this one, and then just adjust the positions until it looks perfect, maybe like this. Next, import your second video clips as another overlay. Just go to overlay again and then import another video like this, and then go to split screen again, and then in this time let's choose split top like this, and then just adjust the position so it fits neatly above your first clip. And now you have a two screen split effect like this. And if you want a three screen split, just import one more video clips as another overlay. And then go to split again, and then just choose type the split that you want. In this tutorial, I will use bottom again, like this. Then just move and resize it so all three clips are evenly spaced, like this. And like this way you can have top, middle and bottom screens all playing at once like this. And once everything is positioned, preview your video to make sure all the screens play smoothly. Like this. Next you can do further edits like add borders, adjust colors, or even add text if you like. And when you're happy with the result, just export your video and you're done. And that's it, a clean multi-screen or split screen video made with just Spring Video Editor. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!